Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Sugar Pop Makeup Kit, a 5-piece set that's got everything you need for a quick and cute glam look perfect for beginners or as a fab gift idea. This kit includes the Ultra Stay Transfer Proof Lipstick Nourishing Lip Balm, Longwear Kajal Nail Lacquer, and a satin scrunchie, so let's dive right in and see what it's all about. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and playful, making it a total vibe for gifting or keeping on your vanity. Starting with the Ultra Stay Transfer Proof Lipstick in Autumn Amber. This 4-gram beauty is a rich, warm shade that glides on smooth with a matte finish. I swatched it and it's super pigmented, didn't budge even after sipping water. Talk about transfer proof. Next, the Nourishing Lip Balm in Cherry, a 4.2-gram tube that's packed with moisture. I applied it and my lips feel so soft with a subtle tint. It's perfect for everyday hydration. Then the Longwear Kajal in black. This 0.3-gram pencil is jet black and creamy with a velvety finish. I lined my waterline and it stayed put for hours, no smudging, and it's sweat-proof too. Claims up to 16 hours and I'm impressed. The Nail Lacquer in Silk Stocking, a 10 ml glossy nude shade, went on in one stroke and dried fast. I painted my nails and it's chip resistant with a salon-like shine. Love how it completes the look. Finally, the Satin Scrunchie. It's soft and stylish, perfect for tying up my hair while I glam up. Such a cute bonus. This kit is all about effortless charm. The products are vibrant, long-lasting, and skin-friendly with no parabens. 100% vegetarian too. It's not luxury, but for the price it's a steal. Great for daily wear or a night out. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.